Hello guys, this is Sumant from Decode Now. Welcome to the lecture series on Python for beginners. Today we'll be learning about string formatting for print statements in Python. So let's jump into the video. Often we will want to inject variables into our string for printing. For example, suppose my name or my channel name is Decode Now. So if I wanted to print a statement saying hello with my name or my channel name, I would do it like this with the help of plus operator, which is concatenation. So suppose let's think that we had multiple variable names that we wanted to inject within the print statement, then it would be a problem. And it's not always the best practice to use concatenation. So in order to overcome all these problems, we use multiple ways to format strings for printing variables in them. This process is known as string interpolation. It is just a fancy name which is indicating that we can inject variables within the print statements. So there are mainly two methods for formatting. One is the dot format method and the other is f strings, which is referred to as formatted string literals. Let's look into dot format method, and the syntax for this is a print statement, and within the print statement we have one string. Here it is this string, and we have open and closed flower brackets. And after closing the string, we have dot format keyword, and within the parentheses there are values. This is the value which will be displayed within this open and closed flower brackets. Let's look at few examples for formatting print statements using dot format method. So I can say print and open the string double quotes. This is an open and close flower brackets value. And after the string ending, I can say dot format of, and what is the value that I want to insert within these flower brackets. It would be inserted in caps. So what this is doing is it is printing this is an inserted value. So this inserted string which I am passing in the format method is being displayed in the place of this open and closed flower brackets. We can also do like print the open and close flower brackets space open and close for flower brackets space open and close flower brackets. And I can say dot format of fox comma brown comma quick, and if I do shift enter, I would get the fox brown quick. What Python does is if we have multiple braces here as shown in this second example, it adds the value in sequence. So first it adds fox to the first bracket and brown to the second and quick to the third. So hence we have the fox brown quick. But this particular statement, the fox brown quick, does not make any sense. So instead, what we can do is we can pass index values to make this meaningful. The correct sentence would be the quick brown fox. So quick should go first. Quick has the index value of 2 since in Python indexing starts with 0. It's 0, 1 and 2. I would pass 2 here and then it's quick brown. So brown it would be the index value 1 and for fox it would be 0. And if I execute this, we got the quick brown fox. We can also, it's not necessary that we will have to use all the values which is present in the format method. We can just simply use one of the values. We can just say the fox also. So it's not always feasible to look into the index values and then arrange them. So it would be better, instead of passing index values, we could have some sort of reference. That can also be done using the format method. We can say f equals fox, b equals brown, and q equals quick. And instead of passing the index values, we can simply pass b and f, which gives the same result as the 210 which we were using here, the quick brown fox. Similarly, we can also pass sorry, we can also pass FFF to get the fox value which we got earlier by using 0 as the index value in all the three places. So there is one more form of formatting which is called as float formatting. So suppose I have a value which is result and it is equals to 100 divided by 777. And if I want to see what this value holds, it's a floating point value containing so many decimal points here. So if I want to format it and have a precision to 3 or 4 decimal points only, that can be done using this dot format method. The syntax for that is we would be passing the value which is the result here and a colon, and width is the amount of space that is required, dot precision is how much to which decimal point we want the precision to round off to, and f as the key letter, and all these values will be enclosed within flower brackets. So we can say print the result is open and close flower brackets dot format of result. So this would give the result is 0 point so and so. If I wanted some more precision, I could say I could add assign this result to a variable called r and then pass that r within this flower brackets. The output would be same. One more thing what we can do here, by seeing the syntax is we can pass in width and also the precision. So if I say r dot let the width or the space required be 1 and dot precision be let the precision be up to 4 points, and I will type in the key letter yes. I'll assign this to r, and if I do shift enter, okay, there is an attribute error. Float object has no attribute 1. Okay, so it's colon, not the dot. And if I do shift enter, yes, the result is 0.1287. It is rounding off to 4 decimal points. So we can what if you want to know what this width does is if I increase the width from 1 to 10 and execute this, you can see there is more number of spaces between the word is and the value result. So this is all about float formatting. Let's look into the second method, which is using f strings, that is the formatted string literals. Here the syntax is we'll store a particular string to a variable, and then in the print statement, before starting the string, we'll mention a key letter that is f, and inside the string, within the flower brackets, we will be passing the variable name which is storing the string. So let us try this out in Jupyter Notebook. So if I have name equals decode now, and if I say print, and the before starting the string let me pass f, and within quotes I'll say this is my YouTube channel, and I will pass in the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I will pass in the variable name, and I will close the single quote. And if I execute this, it says this is my YouTube channel decode now. Okay, that does not make any sense. We can say uh, my YouTube channel is decode now. Yeah. So some other examples for f strings, that is the formatted string literals, would be I can say name equals Sam, age equals 7, and I can say print f open string name is age. If I execute this, I'll get unterminated string literal. Okay, here I'm not closing the string value. And if I do shift enter, yes, I get Sam is 7. So this is the way where we can use f strings as well as the dot format method to format strings in print statements. So this is all for the video. If you have learned something new, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and support us. If you have any questions, requests or suggestions, please do let us know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.